today we study about probability. Here you have to know some terms. First, random experiment. What is random experiment? What is experiment? Here random experiment means the possible outcomes are known, but which one is the exact outcome we doesn't know before the experiment. So before the experiment, like throw a dice, you know the possible outcomes, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are possible outcomes. But which one exactly occurs before the experiment, not known by us. So this type of experiment is called random experiment. Throwing a coin or tossing a coin, selecting some balls from so many balls. These are the random experiment. Random means randomly or without any biasness. Come to the experiment. What is the experiment? When what will be the exact outcomes we know before the experiment. Suppose 2H2 plus O2, we know that it will be 2H2. Without experiment, without reacting, we know the value outcomes. So these type of examples are called only experiment. Now outcomes. What is outcomes? Throw a dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The possible values, these are called outcomes. Tossing a coin, head and tail, these are called outcomes. And events, when we write the outcomes in second bracket, then it is an event. Suppose throwing a dice, there are so many events are possible, multiple of 2. So in second bracket 2, 4, 6, these are outcomes. When we write it in a second bracket, then it will be an event. Prime number 2, 3, 5. When we write it in a second bracket, then it is an event. Sure event means all possible values. When we write it in second bracket, then it is called sure event. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is sure event. Probability of A is equals to even points containing in the event A whole divided by even points containing in the sure event S. So I will clear it by using a example. Suppose what is the probability of getting same value with the rolling of 2 dice. Here probability of getting same value, this is the event A, and with rolling of 2 dice there are possible all events are sure event S. So the outcomes are 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, right? First die contain 1, second die contain 1. When first die contain 1, second die contain 2, so the possible outcomes are here 6 square, that means 36. And A equals to getting same value is equals to 1, 1, 2, 2. Here same value is 1, 1, 2, 2. There 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So A is equals to getting same value. There are only 6 outcomes and 6 event points. So the probability of A is equals to event points contained in the event A 6 whole divided by event points contained in the sure event S divided by 36 is equals to 1 by 6. This is the answer.